Hello and welcome to Lajja's podcast. Lajja podcast was initiated to support women in business, especially the members of Lajja. And today we have somebody who is doing some real interesting work. She's from Ahmedabad and she is Lajja's member and she's none other than Preeti Thakkar. Hi Preeti.
Hi Riddhi, thank you for having me here.
Always a pleasure. And let me introduce Preeti. उससे पहले मुझे लगता है हम प्रीति के मुंह से ही सुने उसका इंट्रोडक्शन because trust me, she has a long list of achievements to speak to us. Preeti, tell us something about yourself.
Being in this field since about 30 years, I feel that cooking, FMCG and food brands have now been part of my daily routine. Have been in this field since years. About my achievements, I would say I've received few awards in journey. But that was something, yes, when you get appreciated, you are motivated to go ahead further.
Absolutely.
At this point of time, I feel like, that I have achieved what I wanted to achieve, and what the pace I am running at is something I am now happy about,
Brilliant. So let me tell you what does Preeti do. Preeti curates menus for restaurants and resorts. She is a food expert and she does wonderful work in this industry. That's where she said, in this field. This field is nothing but the industry of food. Preeti, tell me, what inspired you to join the food industry? And why are you so passionate about it?
Actually, Riddhi, from childhood, I don't remember I have wasted any of my vacations, doing just, roaming around or playing and doing time pass. I always was hooked on one or the other hobby class. Art and creativity was in my blood, you could say. And I always wanted to do something. I did lot of hobby classes around. And when I started it as a career, cooking was something that made people more interested. And I used to get lot of inquiries, and that was how my basically food journey began. And then brands started approaching because maybe I was able to explain more nicely how their products can be used.
Yes.
So I had lot of consumer contact points for various brands. Then because I was good in food, I started doing R&Ds for various brands for new product development.
And I still remember you on one of the cookery shows.
Yes, Colors Gujarati it is now, but prior it was ETV Colors.
Correct.
ETV, and I used to do cookery show for 9 years with Rasoi Show. And later on, yes, all these brands, I worked for various international brands, and it was like lot of learning, because when you are with international brands, the standard of nutrition is much higher than what we would do with our regional brands.
Absolutely.
So it did help me in acquiring knowledge and growing further with whatever I did.
Absolutely. But let me tell you viewers that Preeti has a huge fan followings right from the time she was having her cookery show, because I remember one of my neighbor, the lady used to literally wait for her show to start, and then when I met her I said, okay, she is the one. Okay, and I saw her in person when I spoke to her. So you have a fan following for sure. What do you feel, Preeti, women professionals in food industry, what are the challenges that they usually face?
It is same like all other industries, women are not taken that seriously. आप देखेंगे बहुत सारे restaurants में या कहीं भी catering service है, you always see Maharaj and male chefs, right?
Absolutely.
So same is here, all consultants are also male. But then you have to, कहीं पर भी अगर आपका दिल है, मन होय तो माड़वे जवाय.
Absolutely.
I totally agree with that kahavat. And it was that if you are dedicated and if you are passionate about what you want to do, you can always find a place for yourself in that career as well.
That's so true. That's so true. And recently I also got to know that you've completed your graduation being a nutritionist.
Yes.
Right? So a combination of food and nutrition together That's a very deadly combination for sure. What do you feel? Where is our healthcare, systems going ahead in the food industry? And what do you feel? What can be done to make it more better, especially the food and health together?
Yes, very nice question, Riddhi, actually. Out of our syllabus, though.
Yes.
But
Yes.
it is, new normal to be health conscious.
Correct.
Everybody, you see from youth to elders, everybody is somewhere trying to eat something right, trying to balance the nutritional needs. यूथ है तो चलो प्रोटीन पाउडर ले रहा है, कोई एल्डर है तो सत्तू पाउडर ले रहा है. बट टू ब्रिज दैट गैप, आई ऑलवेज, like I said, I was with lot of international brands, so nutrition level was there for me. I knew I could sit with a nutritionist or dietitian and talk for hours, and maybe it would be same parameters
So
we can
true,
share.
so true.
But still that tag of certification was missing. So then I thought that no, whatever I say, I should be speaking it with the facts behind it. So I found it is very important to have that degree, and that was the reason I did my nutrition and dietitian.
But I'm sure
studies.
that degree of yours is going to make a better impact on the work, because people sometimes want that certificate to kind of justify, right? Well, you don't need that, but then
No, I think we need it, because recently I think each and every influencer on social media has become a doctor in itself.
and everybody has become a psychologist as well.
So yes, I think you're facing the same.
That's true, that's
they are
true.
trying to give solutions to each and every problem.
That's true.
And stating it so firmly that people believe it to be a medicine.
Yes.
And then
that
it
is
goes
detrimental.
wrong. Yeah,
That's
actually
detrimental.
it's very horrific results come if you start doing something that may not suit your gut, may not suit your individual requirement of your body. So I think it does help in that manner also, because whenever I'm saying something, I'm always very thoughtful about whatever I say. No, I would not say कि ये खा लो आपका diabetes reverse हो जाएगा. I will say it will help you in managing your diabetes.
I hear you. And there's a message for everybody out there. It is very important that you speak with conviction only when you are authorized to do so, when you are certified to do so. And that's what exactly Preeti is telling us right now. Preeti, can you share any impactful moment? And I'm sure, because I've spoken to you multiple times and I know, but I want everybody to know about it, where your intervention, your knowledge made a real good difference, and you still remember those moments.
There are actually many incidents, but
Yes.
If it comes on top of my mind, something that comes on top of my mind would be that I have come across few females. Currently also, whenever I go in the events, I've been in lot of communication and contact with lot of females. So wherever I go in an event, and someone from somewhere will come and tell me that I have started my own cooking business, and I'm running a Gru Udyog, or I've started some career related to food industry, and you have been my motivation to
Arre
come out
wah.
of the house. I think that gives me a very goosebump moments. I'm very
I'm
happy
sure.
that chalo maine kahin na kahin in my journey I have made impact in other people's life. And people, even ladies, end up saying that you have a very lovely smile. You're always smiling.
I agree with them. I agree with them,
So
Preeti.
it's something that I think they are also. It is a two-way communication. When you smile with your heart, I think it goes to the people also, and they are motivated to do something.
Absolutely. So after all, what do every human being needs? A little of attention, a little of apnapan, and a little of प्यार भरा smile. That's all, right, Preeti?
एक यहाँ पे रिद्धि एक और बात बोलना चाहूँगी. कई बार ये बहुत सारे ग्रुप्स में जब मेरे कुकिंग शोज या डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन न्यूट्रिशन के टॉक्स होते हैं, तो आई ट्राई टू स्पीक देयर लैंग्वेज. ना हाउसवाइफ मेरे सामने बैठी है, तो आई एम ऑल्सो हाउसवाइफ एज वेल, राइट? सो व्हेन आई गिव देम सॉल्यूशंस ऑफ देयर प्रॉब्लम, they can relate more to it, you know. हाँ ये तो हमारे साथ भी होता है.
Yes.
So I think that has helped to connect more actually.
Absolutely. I remember one of our mentor always telling me, he used to hammer literally on me that speak the language which people want to hear and not what you want to say.
Yes.
Right? I might be using jargons in my practice, but that's not what people want to listen from me. People want to hear what they can relate with. So you are so right there. Preeti, in your journey in the food industry and now also as a nutritionist, where do you feel technology has actually helped you?
See, at first, Riddhi, I thought I was too much into my work. And I realized that you cannot do both the things.
Correct.
Now, technology, social media took so much of your time that balancing doing real work and again being totally updated on social media was something I was struggling with. But yes, Lajja has also been a pillar there.
Thank you.
Lot of learning from Lajja.
Thank you.
And then luckily had some good brand association where I'm provided with all the back-end support.
Yes.
So now I'm more visible on social media.
Yes. If you would like to talk about all those brands that currently are working with Preeti.
Yeah, Riddhi. Currently I'm with True Story Organics, and it is basically an organic food brand where we are doing lot of awakening about, you know, eating right thing, because I don't think anybody needs to know that chemicals and pesticides, insecticides are not good for our health.
Absolutely.
So the brand I'm working with is for me a soul soothing brand currently, and that helps me to be self motivated and communicate what I believe in.
I'm sure. And lot of other women are learning from you, because Preeti organizes under True Story lot of cookery meetups and all that, and healthcare meetups, and she's able to spread all that knowledge that she has through this brand. So I'm so glad that you're just spreading knowledge, you're spreading happiness, and you're spreading the right knowledge. That's something which I'm really proud of. What advice would you like to give to all those women who wants to have a career in food industry?
See, food is in female's blood. You are always cooking, eating. You have eaten your mom's cooking, so you're aware about, you know, right food and right things you want to give to your kids or your family members. So I think for women, this industry has a very different torchlight. She can give,
the mother is a torchlight.
Mother is a torchlight. She can give a very new horizon and a vision to food industry, because, like I said, all males are working there. So there are aspects that they are missing out on. So if they would definitely take a female help somewhere, it will help to connect more with the brand. Not only brand, I think facts, people would believe it more because it comes with an authenticity. पर्सन जो प्रैक्टिस कर रहा है वही कुछ बोल रहा है. तो विमेन के लिए तो इमेंस अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं, बट येस यू हैव टू मेनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज एज वेल. तो उसमें आपको अपने आप को कंसिस्टेंट रखना है, पैशनेट रखना है, डिसिप्लिन रखना है और डेडिकेटेड रखना है. तब जाकर के आप कहीं ना कहीं करियर बना पाएंगे, क्योंकि हिकअप्स और हडल्स तो सबकी लाइफ में आते हैं. बच्चे आपके होते हैं तो आपके हस्बैंड के भी होते हैं, बट हिज करियर डजंट स्टॉप, सो व्हाई शुड योर्स?
Absolutely, you said it. Consistency matters, and in all profession you undertake, consistency matters. But फूड इंडस्ट्री में मुझे लगता है कि हर एक औरत कुछ भी कर सकती है. घर से कुछ भी है तुम ऑपरेट कर सकती हो, मुखवा से नाश्ता है, कुछ भी. Whichever thing you specialize in, you can start even from your home. The four walls of your house you can start. And that's a whole industry waiting for you girls. Why don't you try your hand there? And you have people like Preeti who can guide you, who can show you the right path, who can be your guiding beacon. So why not? Yes. One last tip, Preeti, for all that women who are hesitating to start something new.
See, one thing, you will have a biggest challenge in your house itself. when you want to start something after not doing any work for years, घर वाले ही बोलेंगे आपसे नहीं होगा, घर संभालो, बहुत है. Why you want to go out and do this hard work now? Enjoy and relax your life. But if you have that zest in yourself, आपको लगता है कि भाई नहीं मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ, मुझे सिर्फ नाचने गाने वाले रील्स भी अच्छे ही लगते हैं. आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट इट. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि आपको उस चीज़ से सेटिस्फेक्शन उतना नहीं मिलता और उससे आगे जाके कुछ करना है, तो आप कुकिंग में, फूड इंडस्ट्री में कुछ ना कुछ बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं. अपनी एक यूएसपी की आइटम को आप पकड़ लीजिए और उसके ऊपर कंसिस्टेंट वर्क कीजिए. एक्सप्लोर इट 360 डिग्री. कहाँ पर आप दे सकते हैं, कोई बेकरी में देख सकते हैं, अगर आप अच्छे नाचोस बनाते हैं शॉप में दे सकते हैं, बेकरी में दे सकते हैं, किटी ग्रुप्स में स्टॉल लगा सकते हैं, अपने फ्रेंड्स फैमिलीज़ को फ्री सैंपल करके अपना बिजनेस शुरू कर सकते हैं. देयर आर लॉट मैनी थिंग्स यू कैन डू. दिस वॉज जस्ट एन आइडिया. ऐसे ही आप बहुत सारे बड़े लेवल पे भी घर पे शेफ़ या कुक रख के भी आप बड़े गृह उद्योग जैसा कुछ भी चला सकते हैं. इट इज़ यू फर्स्ट डिसाइड व्हाट यू वांट टू डू, फिल्टर इट डाउन. डोंट स्टार्ट एनीथिंग वेगली कि ये भी मैं तो ये भी बनाती हूँ, वो भी बनाती हूँ, वो भी. देन लेडीज स्टार्ट विथ 50 and number of things.
Yes.
And then at the end they give up, everything. They are not able to be consistent. So just filter down, start with something. When you're in comfort zone with that thing, move on to the next thing and you introduce, and you can expand your total portfolio of products that you are about to do. And yes, cooking class is something where zero investment. घर में बैठे आप अच्छा कमा सकते हैं, अपने नॉलेज को शेयर कर सकते हैं. आजकल तो यूट्यूब वीडियोस भी बना सकते हैं, एक थोड़ी सी टेक्निकल ट्रेनिंग ले लीजिए. यू कैन डू दैट ऑल्सो. एंड ऑफकोर्स ब्रांड कंसल्टेशंस. एवरीबडी इज लुकिंग फॉर गुड इन्फ्लुएंसर्स जो सही में कुछ बना के दे सके. पीपल आर पेइंग वेरी हाई अमाउंट फॉर अ गुड रील. फूड का कुछ अच्छा सा आप कंटेंट अगर दे सकते हैं तो कम अप विथ न्यू आइडियाज. एंड मार्केट इज टोटली करंटली ओपन फॉर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग दैट इज न्यू, एक्सप्लोरेबल. क्या हिट होगा आपको भी पता नहीं है, उनको भी पता नहीं है. सो एवरीबडी इज इनटू एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग. ट्राई आउट वट एवर यू कैन. दिस इज वेरी राइट टाइम टू बिगिन अ करियर इन फूड. और कुछ ना कुछ ज़रूर करके आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है तो डेफिनेटली लज्जा के साथ तो हम हमेशा ही जुड़े हैं, तो कुछ ना कुछ आप वहाँ से भी गाइडेंस ले सकते हैं.
That was such a superb tip. I think it was as simple as कल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अभी से शुरू कर, है ना. Thank you so much, Priti, and it was such a pleasure talking about food, about nutrition today with you. And I'm sure women, you're going to benefit. Listen to this podcast, and I'll see you soon with one another guest at Lajja's podcast. See you then.
Thank you.